In this video, I want to show you in a case whenever you want to give something extra promotion or some product you're selling or some piece of content you want to draw people to.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
You can use the pinned post feature of Facebook, and if you have a group or a page, usually you make updates and everything else gets pushed down when you make an update. But the pinned post is the one that stays on top the most. This is in fact my pinned post, and here any post you make, for example, anything that I did. Okay, so this product quality post, you can click on the top right and you can say pin post, and what happens is this post, if you pin it, I'm not going to pin this one, but if you pin it, it will be the first one that stays up the whole time until you pin something else or unpin it. So that way, everybody who joins your group, that will be the first thing they see, and everybody who revisits your group, that will also be the first thing they see. So it's very powerful and can get you more traffic to specifically one piece of content or product that you want to promote extra.